In order to back up your WhatsApp messages, please open up WhatsApp like you normally would, go to the top menu, and then press on these three dots. Then you want to select over here where it says settings. Afterwards, you're going to get a menu that looks like this, and then from here, scroll down until you see this section that says chats. So it's going to be right here. Then what you're able to do is you're able to go ahead and scroll down, and then you'll see this section that says archive chats. Now, if you want your chats to automatically be archived, make sure to turn that on, and they're going to remain archived when you receive a new message. But anyways, what you want to do from here is you want to select where it says chat backup. Then you guys are able to go ahead and create a backup over here. It's also going to show you your Google account where your chats are going to be backed up to. It's also going to let you know how much storage you have. And now by default, WhatsApp is actually going to set automatic backups for you. So that's honestly pretty cool. So as you're able to tell, it says daily backups, but you can change it up to whether you want a weekly, monthly, etc. And also, if you want videos to be included in the backup, make sure to go ahead and turn this on. But I'm not going to lie to you guys, it is going to make the backup take longer because obviously videos are much bigger files. And then you can also back up using your cellular data as well. But that is how you're able to go ahead and back up your WhatsApp messages. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.